Today we're going to review the proper technique for calibrating Tekno cylinder stops. These instructions will apply to both the 50mm and 80mm variants. The stop units will have a red tag prompting adjustment before introducing into production. It is important to adjust these stops before use. Running the conveyor with unadjusted or improperly adjusted stops may cause unexpected wear to many of the conveyor components. This could possibly shorten the life of your stops, pallets, pallet fixtures, chain, and the conveyor itself, as well as creating unwanted noise. For tools, we'll need a 2.5mm Allen wrench and pliers. Let's get started. We'll start off with adjusting the stop. This one's set all the way to the minimum shock absorption. You will start off with a 2.5mm Allen wrench. And what you'll do, you go to loosen this set screw here that's holding the shock tensioner. Usually about 2 good turns. And as you can see, this shock is set to the minimum amount of shock allowed. We have a dial that goes from the minimum to the max. And we have a locating point. You can turn it all the way to max, and you're not going to be able to shock anything. So we know with this pallet we're going to be somewhere between minimum and max, so I'm going to put it in the middle, and I'm going to lightly lock this back down. And then we're going to try a pallet. And that's about the shock that you're going to want on this weight of a pallet. If you see any bouncing, you would need to either, it could have too much tension or not enough. It's just depending on the head. If the head's not coming all the way back and it's bouncing, you've got too much tension. If it's coming all the way back and bouncing off, then you have not enough tension. So it's just finding the sweet spot somewhere in between. This one's going to be too much tension. No, not enough tension. This one's going to be not enough tension. And this one's going to be just right tension. You don't want to over tighten that either. If you over tighten that, it won't allow the shock to work. It won't allow it to slide up and down inside the cylinder.